In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business, a handy feature that can streamline your communication and ensure your messages reach the recipient at exactly the right time. Whether you're managing a team across different time zones or simply want to send reminders when it's most convenient for the receiver, scheduling emails can be a real game changer. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Workspace. This is the comprehensive suite of tools offered by Google for business purposes, which includes everything from Gmail to Google Drive, and much more. When you've arrived at the Google Workspace homepage, you'll need to locate the Admin Console. This is where you can manage various administrative functions for your business's account. Once you click on the Admin Console, you'll be prompted to log in using your business email. Simply enter your email address and follow the prompts to sign in by clicking Next or Sign In. Now you should be inside the console where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on this to reveal a list of the different applications available to you. From this list, find and select Gmail, which will open your usual email interface, although in the context of Google Workspace. Now you'll want to compose your email just as you normally would. Click on the Compose button and draft your message, entering the recipient's email address and filling out any necessary subject lines and body text. Once you've written your email, direct your attention to the Send button. Right next to the Send button is a small drop-down arrow. It may not be immediately noticeable, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on this arrow will reveal some additional sending options. From the drop-down menu, select Schedule Send. This feature allows you to decide the precise date and time your email will leave your outbox. Upon selecting Schedule Send, you'll be prompted to pick date and time, which will let you customize the sending schedule to fit your exact needs. Carefully choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. Remember to consider time zones if your recipient is in a different part of the world. Once you've set your desired date and time, simply click on Schedule Send, and that's it. Your email is now scheduled to be sent at the time you specified. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly improve your productivity and ensure your emails are always timely and relevant. Feel free to explore and practice with this feature to maximize its potential in your day-to-day business communications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.